Alright, what up, y'all? So, switching it up for the day, gotta make a box. So, this is gonna be a ported box for 12. I forgot what kind, but yeah, ported box for a single 12 going on a Honda. So, about to draw all this stuff out. I got 2 sheets of these, probably gonna need 3 sheets. This is 3/4 inch, 2 feet by 4 feet, but I'm gonna try to get as much as I can out of these 2 sheets. If this don't fit, or if it's not enough, then I'll just go back to Home Depot, grab one more, and that'll be it. Uh, got that. I got some carpet to wrap the box. So it's a lot of noise, but carpet, so you can wrap it, make it look nice and neat. Got a lot of trash in this car. Been a wild week. Wild week. But yeah. Time to make a box. Alright, sorry for the generator noise. But if you are needing to make a circle but you don't have the little tool or whatever, get you a sheet of paper, put some tape on it. This will make it stiff to where it doesn't fold on you. Put a dot where you want to start. Measure out the halfway point of your circle, put another dot. I put a hole in each dot with this whatever this is, thumbnail, thumb tack, that's what you call it, thumb tack. So yeah, put you a hole through that. You got a hole on this end, you got your pin in, and you twist this thing. Keep some tension on it, and if you do it right, you got yourself a perfect circle. And you can see I got it pretty much spot on with the first mark that I made. So got myself a circle, got my port hole measured out. So I'm gonna go ahead, cut the circle, cut the port, and then cut this whole piece out, and then I can just drop it piece by piece after that. And I forgot I gotta go get some bolts later to for the wiring to go on. So it's one other thing I gotta go to Home Depot for anyway. So I might need another sheet of wood. So while I'm there, I get these bolts for the wiring. Fast forward a few minutes, all the pieces are cut. This is the back wall, the floor, the face, top, the port on the inside, and the 2 side pieces. So I got these little things that I done had for a good little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and start. I guess I'll get the port together, screw the port to the face, flip it over, screw the face to the bottom, screw the back to the bottom. Then it'll be the side pieces, left and right, and then last is gonna be the top, and it's gonna screw straight down like that. So yeah, port first, and yeah, port, face, all of that. So got plenty of wood, but don't have enough glue, so about to run to the store. But I got the port screwed in, got the face screwed in. So drop this down. So all of this is sturdy. I just gotta do the back wall, then the side wall, and this side wall over here, which will make the port. Once I get all of that, I'm gonna caulk all of the edges. I say caulk, I probably use some of that black RTV that I do the headlights with, since I usually got a bunch of that laying around. But seal all the edges, that way it'll be airtight. I gotta get screws for the wire terminals, because that's what I use. I use like a bolt for the positive, bolt for the negative. But if you haven't seen my old video, you'll see it in a second. So gotta go get some bolts for that, get some glue, and then I can finish this, sand down whatever edges I didn't get perfectly flush or whatever before I put the top piece on, and we'll have us a box. Everything's together but the top. I already came with the sander to smooth this stuff down to get me pretty even. So I think I got a hump back there. Yeah, so hit this little hump right here, and yeah, it should be good to drop this top on. I just put glue around this whole thing, drop the top on, draw out the lines for this, and then I screw that in. So I know how I got this set up because the width of the port is just the width of this. So once I get the top on there, I just lay this down like so. I know the side of the wood is 3/4 inch, so I'll space it like that. Draw it, I put my screws in on this side right here. Same deal for this side. So port is about the width of this, and I screw those in. So pretty simple. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock this part down with this, and drop this top on there, and then I'll put the holes in. I'll show you how to do the terminals. All right, so my bad, y'all. I got to the point of finishing up their box, and then the customer showed up, so didn't really get to record because I was just kind of focusing on finishing up what I had to do. But I put up a picture of what the terminals look like. Not these terminals, but the ones from the box in here, which you can't see because this wall is up and I'm not taking it down right now. But I put up a picture of what the terminals look like. So it's basically a bolt that goes through, sitting on the washer. I got a nut to tie the bolt down to the box. The rain's starting. But it's a bolt to hold that in, bolt and a nut. It's a terminal on the inside of the box hooked up to that bolt that goes to the speaker once you put it in. Then it's a terminal on the outside of that bolt, and that's got another nut holding that on. And that's what goes to the actual amp. So it's one of those for positive, one for negative. Pretty simple setup. And box is wrapped in carpet. So this is a quick look at the box in the trunk because I got a couple seconds of video of it playing, and can't play the music because YouTube and all. But box is done. Box is in the car. It's gone. It's out the way. So that's it for that. And I will catch you in the next one, which should be the spoiler for this car. So, or these headlights, which the halos for this should be in probably tomorrow, I think. So, yeah, one of those two. But yeah, I'll catch y'all in that.